Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a very special unboxing for you guys. This particular sneaker I've been wanting in my collection for a while now, so I'm very excited that I've actually secured a pair. Stay tuned, we'll get into the unboxing and I'll also do a bit of a review. Alrighty, let's get into the unboxing. Man, oh man, I'm excited for this one. There you have it. I don't know whether that gives it away, the orange box. Let's pull these out. There you have it, boom. The classic Nike orange box. As you can see on the tag there, Nike LDV Waffle Sacai. So I managed to finally grab a pair of these. I've been wanting a pair of these sneakers for a while now. I missed out on all the releases that occurred back in 2019. So there was the OG blue and yellow colourway, as well as the, I think there was a wolf grey colourway and a black and white colourway. But like I said, I wasn't able to get my hands on any of those pairs. So I'm finally glad I secured my pair. So I managed to grab my pair through a sneaker and apparel store called Supply Store. They're located in Sydney as well as Melbourne, and I was lucky enough to win their raffle and secure myself the black nylon colourway. I really wanted the white one as well. However, you know, I'll take my dubs where I can, especially with this particular shoe. So yeah, very excited. So let's get into it. It's got a little tab here. Very nice. Okay, so it looks like it comes with an extra set of laces here. Two pairs there. And then in here, looks like you've got Nike Sacai written on the actual paper itself, which is a very nice touch. And let's get into this shoe itself. So let's have a look. Alright. What's going on here? They've wrapped up. Did a good job wrapping these up. Boom, there you have it. Wow. Yep, very happy with these. So glad I got myself a pair in the black nylon colourway, as you can see. Look at that midsole. I mean, when my first impressions of this particular sneaker when they first released was I wasn't actually a big fan of them due to the actual midsole and how chunky it was at the back here, but after seeing a lot of videos and photos online, they slowly eventually grew on me, and I think that this particular colorway is just super clean and will go with a lot of outfits, especially being a simple black and white color. So yeah, very happy with these. And I got them in my true to size 11. Now I don't know what they fit like, so given that these were my first pair, I'm not 100% sure, but I will let you guys know how they fit once I throw them on feet. So stay tuned for the review. So let's get into a detailed review now. I'll take some B-roll footage of certain sections of the actual shoe, and then I'll talk you through them from my perspective. So starting with the upper, it consists of leather and suede double swooshes and nylon material along the toe box. Some reviews have mentioned the suede looking green in certain lighting, and I have noticed this as well. The medial side of the shoe is much like the lateral side and consists of double swooshes constructed in leather and suede. The laces are a ribbon type material and feels very similar to something you would use to gift wrap a present. The lace tips are gold, which adds a premium feel. The tongue is a double tongue with Nike Sportswear written on the top tongue and Nike Sacai written on the bottom tongue. The insole is done in black with Nike Sacai branding written in white. The outsole of the shoe is a black rubber material and stays true to the aesthetics of the original LD Waffle outsole. Lastly, the heel of the shoe is suede with Nike Sacai embossed into the top of each heel. You can also see the waffle outsole sticking out the heel of the shoe, which gives the shoe a very different look. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up today's video. It was an unboxing and review on the Nike Sacai's. Please stay tuned. I'm actually going to be doing a separate video on these, which will just be the on-feet footage, as well as a bit of a styling guide as to how I'm going to rock these. So stay tuned for that. If you don't want to miss that video, highly recommend you subscribe now. Turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss it. And on that note, I'll see you guys on the next video.